Hello everyone, again I'm come with some interesting online course. Today I'll tell you about the 7 best statistics courses that are online. And you want more information about the online courses, then subscribe our channel CourseAvatar and click on the bell icon. So always be get updated whenever I'll upload a video. And let's get started without wasting our time. So our first course is a basic statistic that course is provided by the course, and here you will learn the best online course of the statistics. Here you will learn taught by the basic of statistic, and the topics you will learn about the intervals and hypothesis testing. You will learn two variables about the variables and cases. You will learn about the probability and related concepts like calculating probabilities, spelling, distributions, and probability distributions. This course is especially for the beginner level course of the statistics. For the beginners who wants to just beginning the course of and wants to just learn the statistics, they can definitely go for this course. So our next course is statistics for the business analyst and data science course. It's provided by the Udemy. Here you will learn about the fundamental of statistics and related concepts like intervals, distributions, and many more things, and divisions and hypothesis testings. And you will learn also about all the concepts of the hypothesis testing and Z tables, Z scores, sampling and distributions and more. You will learn about the T tables and T scores also. This course is for the people who wants to learn statistics from the scratch, for the business analytic, and this also for the people who wish to gain the some practical experience about the field of statistic. Then they can also go for this course. Go and check out the link given below. So our next course is statistics for data science with the Python. This course is provided by the course, and here you will learn the concepts and methods of statistics and how you can use them and for the analyzing data, and the topics you covered like the Python, data gathering, hypothesis testing, and you will learn to analyze the relationship between the variables. You will learn the concepts and conversations and analysis and regressions and probability distributions. And this course is for the people who are business analytic and data scientists, or they are data analysts. They can also learn this course. But this course is needs you something for knowledge about the Python. You have to be a little bit knowledge or little bit coding of the Python, then you can definitely learn this course. Go and check out the. So our next course is complete statistics for the data science in 6 hour course is on the YouTube. Here it's a totally free course. Of course, you are not getting the certificate, but it's a totally free course. Here you will learn about the normal guesstimations, distributions, and the types of distributions. You learn the hypothesis testing, significance values, confidence intervals, and the concepts and the spearmint rank correlations and conversations and persons color correlations. And this course is for the people who wish to learn statistic, for to learn the data science more effectively. They can definitely go for this course. It's a totally free course. Go and check out the link given. A fifth one course is a Become a Probability and Statistics Master course is provided by the Udemy. Here you will learn the topics like distributions, regressions, hypothesis testing, and sampling and other statistical concepts. You will learn to visualize your data using the Venn diagrams, bed graphs, or dot plots or histograms. You will learn the data analysis using the concepts like box and Wixer plots, IQR plus range, and mean and medium. You learn about that also. This course is for the people who wish to understand statistic. It is also for the statistics and probability. Students also can learn and gain the some knowledge about the statistical analysis. They can learn it and they can become a master in it. Go and check out. So our next course is the Python for statistical analysis is provided by the Udemy. Here you will learn about the applied statistic in Python. You will learn the solve complex statistic problems using Python. You will learn the visualize and interpret outcomes and implementation test and Python. And you will also learn about the hypothesis testing, and this course is for the people who wish to learn applied statistics, and also for the data scientists who wish to learn statistical basics for before learning the machine learning, for to find and to gain the some knowledge about it. They can go for this course. Go and check out the link. So our last course, the Fundamentals of Statistics, provided by the EDX, is a totally free course, and you also get the certification after completing this course. The This course is taught the core principles of statistic, and the concepts include the principles and predictions and estimations, hypothesis testing, and many more things. You will learn to the use of linear, non-linear, and other linear models to make the predictions, and you will not only learn about the statistics but also mathematically and principally you involve in it, and you totally deserve dissolve in this course. You totally absorb all the knowledge about this course. This course is a totally free course. This is for the people who wish to learn statistic from the top instructors of MIT, and will also find this course is so helpful for them. Go and check out the. So here all the courses are ended, and the links of the all the courses are links given in the description box. Make sure you go and check out at that, and for which course you're gonna enroll yourself, comment it that also, and click on the subscribe button and bell icon so that you get updated more about the online courses. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, all of you.